Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trenda Luan Dunkulu after she was seen as a special, and people were so concerned ukuthi, oh my gosh, what happened? So balabaningi they were saying ukuthi bamushela speed recovery, even though she didn't announce ukuthi what is going on, but nje kubuka nje kona kodwa ukuthi usesibhedlela ugqoke impahla zasesibhedlela and abantu abaningi nje baphatheke kabi basho ukuthi they are wishing her a speedy recovery. So some people are even saying ukuthi oh man, she really looks sick. I don't know ukuthi umuntu obukeka sick guys nimbona njani, but people were saying ukuthi ubukeka vele agula uLwandlunkulu whatever lemphethe bayamfisela nje kululama lokusheshako. So people are sending my messages, sending ma-comments laphayana kule video yakhe basho ukuthi bamfisela kululama lokusheshako. I'm sure ukuthi i-inbox yakhe iyaqhima iyaqhitheka abantu labamsendela ama-messages ukuthi alulame ngokushesha. So abantu abaningi abanayo iklu ukuthi what is really going on, ugulwa yini, since vele naye she didn't announce ukuthi ugulwa yini. I mean vele there's no need ukuthi aza-announce ukuthi ugulwa yini. Sekho nje isidingo, we don't even have to know, but people just said ukuthi whatever that is going on, whatever lekuphethe, sikufisela speedy recovery, ululame ngokushesha. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.